Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will help you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity. First of all, go to ChatGPT homepage. Then, go to corner right side and click the three dots. Then, click settings. Next, to the left side, you will click privacy and security. Scroll down again and click the cookies and other site data. At the bottom, click See All Site Data and Permission. Then, at the top of the right corner, type OpenAI and delete all site cookies. If didn't work, click the extension icon at the right side. Then, click the Manage Extensions. And if you see the extensions, you can disable all extensions. And then, refresh it, and you will see your page it is working. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.